Jay Brennan posted this picture on Facebook today. Here's the story. A DJ in Canada decided to save some money and import some lighting direct from China. It was battery operated stuff and he was having problems with it. So a fellow DJ decided to help out and bring these fixtures into a local battery shop to have them tested. And this happened. They went on the $5,000 tester and the batteries basically became vapor. So the moral of the story is, maybe it's not a great idea to import cheap lights direct from China. Somebody chimed in and said, yeah, well that's unfortunate, but the thing is that a lot of companies make lights in China, so what's the difference? I could talk about this all week, but I want to do a short video. Let me just start with this. It has to do with quality control. When lighting is being built, the best lighting has quality control right there on the line in China. Somebody that, let's say the American company or the Canadian company or wherever they're from in the Western world, brought into the factory to make sure things were done right. Solders, solid circuitry, the firmware is right, the diodes are correct, and of course the batteries are stable. Sometimes a company will order, I don't know, like a dozen samples of a product they're thinking about doing. They'll have them shipped to the main facility in the Western world, have a look at them, test them out, and make sure they're okay. If there are any problems with them, they will contact the company and say, look, great, but we need this better and that better. Give us 12 more. They'll do it. 12 more come in, they poke at them, they test them. Yeah, those are good. Let's go with this. And they order, I don't know, 1,000 of them to have imported, shipped out to the stores, and sold to you, the customer. Now, the other thing they do, once the lights come into the country, they put them on a line where they actually test everything before it goes out to the store. So it gets tested twice. It gets tested in China, it gets tested in the States, or in Europe, or wherever the lights are imported to in the Western world. Then they get shipped out to the stores, to you, the DJ. Why did they go through all this? There are a couple of reasons. First of all, they don't need the liability of something like this happening with one of their fixtures. The other thing they want to do is give you at least that 3-year warranty. If their products are not solid enough to last at least 3 years, then they're going to be spending a lot of money shipping you new product. And that's not good for them. They want to send you a product that's going to last so they don't have to replace it. So I don't want to bore you with all this stuff. There's a lot to it, but I just want to kind of give you an idea of what the difference is. There is a real difference between the name brand stuff and the cheap stuff you're just importing. They may look alike. They may look exactly like. The casings may be identical, but inside they could be very different. And if there's a company in China that's just sending stuff out to the world, what are they going to do? They're not going to warranty this stuff, and they don't care what happens to it once you get it. They're using the cheapest stuff they can possibly use inside of these products to keep the price down so you buy it. So don't buy it. Buy the good stuff. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.